In this tutorial, we are going to teach you how to use HeyWatcher and translate any YouTube video into any language. Let's start by translating Donald Trump's address to French. First, paste the YouTube video URL into this field and click Customize. Choose the original video language and the language you want to translate it into. Next, select your favorite voice, either female or male, from the available options and click the Select button. Finally, click Translate Video. In just a few moments, you'll be able to enjoy watching that video in your selected language.
Now Sleepy Joe would
Maintenant,
say,
Joe endormi-dirait le taux de chômage.
You can also decrease the video's real sound volume from here to listen to the translated version more
Et
accurately.
tu vois toujours le gars là, non? Non, non, c'est là. Caroline.
Enjoy watching any YouTube video in your language with HeyWatcher.com.